Hello guys, so in today's video we will go through how we can enable macros in OnlyOffice. So let's get straight into it. So you have probably opened your document. So it doesn't matter which one it is. So if I open also some spreadsheets, so we will try first in doc. So you go here up in this tool to view, and then on the right side here you will see macros. So now you can click in, and now you can type in whatever you want, or you can use here AI, and you can convert from VBA or create from description. So I will go with just simple one right here. Then I will hit OK. Now you will need model name here. Then you will need you will need the provider name, so OpenAI, Gemini, and so on. Then you will need URL for this, and then you will select here model, and also you will choose why you will use model. And after you do all of that, just click OK. Now the second option is that you type here the code, and this will then do here some macros in your document. And the same thing is right here in spreadsheets. If you go to the view, then you have also the macros right here, and now you can also do the same thing as before. So this is how you can use macros. Also, you can record macros. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.